Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to join my live stream. It's me, your host, Crypto Moon. How are you all? I hope you are all well and good, and I'm also fine. So I am back with a new interesting project for you. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो प्रोजेक्ट है. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream topic or project, so feel free to ask in my comment section. आज का टॉपिक डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा वेट करते हैं ताकि हमारे मेंबर्स हमें ज्वाइन कर लें. उसके बाद हम अपना आज का इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much, Crypto Velvet, for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, Kaya07, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much once again to all of you. Okay, so now let's get stream started. Today our topic and we discuss initial listening gate to list Jagama DGMA sport trading and launch holder airdrop. So 2025 by 092203.30.24 UTC, and the total views we have 6006 is total views. So Gate will list Jagama DGMA for spot trading and launch holder airdrop hashtag 300 users holder at least 1 GT can share 363.636 DGMA or token for free. So the holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holders. After the Jagama DGMA airdrop concludes, no fund will be dedicated from participant. Thank you so much, Gate user or Crypto Velvet. Okay, so now next we have holder airdrops DGMA. DGMA ended or initial. Jagama is an RWL real-world location platform that leveraging blockchain and AI technology to providing authentic info and trusted recommendation. Our mission is to be regulate trust online reviews by forging a global community where participants share discoveries and quality. So recommendations earning rewards is DGMA token. We bullet a map with recommendations from a worldwide community. So ensuring the authenticity of every location and recommendation with our multi-level anti-fake system. So using post and earn machines, we will be the sharing of experience both rewarding and reliable. Thank you so much, T-Rex, and all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now back to the topic and we discuss the Twitter official website and frequently asked questions. So start time we have 2020-25 09 by 22 09.0000 and the end time we have 2020-25 0925 11.0000. Okay, so now next we have the project introduction. So founder we have Gabriel Khatter. Gabriel Khatter is a serial entrepreneur with a strong track recorded is SaaS in Fiji startup, bringing over 6 years of professional management experience. His career including roles as a financial consultant for high net or both individual, its GCL, strategic developments offer as MasterCard, Europe's SA and manage our Timber steel factors or additionally. Gabriel has worked within the National Domestic or Institute NDI and the Ministry of Youth. Jordan overseeing is the assessment and allocated of resources of renovation or project. Thank you so much to all of you and welcome to my stream. Okay, so next we have the token economy technical overview or token circular station or risk reminder. So project highlight. So now next we have the discuss of the official website of Jagama. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so now next we have the official website of Jagama. rediscovery of your words. Jagama is the RWA real world location platforms that leveraging blockchain and AI technology to offer a unique experience with authentic content or resorting trust in recommendation. Okay, so next we have join our social media, Telegram, X, Twitter, games, or YouTube. So Jagama apps we have. Jagama is a platform for authentic community-driven recommendation powered by user-generated or content AI and algorithm verification. It helps users discover unique places and experience worldwide while foresting and trust and genuine insight. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. Okay, so now next we believe we can create a world where companies and distinguishings not only by their marketing but also by the quality of their services. So from problems like we have like marketing budgets or inflated ratings or fake reviews to solutions like we have security MLFs or unified ecosystem or rewards from contribution. Okay, so next explore our ideas. So DGMA is a utility token with a fixed supply that powers the Gamma ecosystem. So it is used to pay for services, unlock additional features, and earn rewards within the ecosystem. The Gamma token fuel your experience, create content, or access premium tools. So subscribe to your services, promote your businesses, and more. So DGMA token info or airdrops campaign is live or ecosystem. So next we have Sensei CEO Dan Thompson on digital identity and nomadic leadership. So Don Thompson is CEO of Sensei Share, how AI twisted on chain, refining identity, how crypto powered or borderless living in what 100% plus countries or throw him about culture, freedom and reliance. Thank you so much to all of you and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so next we have join our activities. Your role as a Jagama ambassador will be the accurate of strengthening our presence and fostering growth within the crypto community. Your responsibility included. Okay, so now influencer program. Do you have influencer in the cryptocurrency or community? Join our influencer program and earn great reward. Okay, so next we have joined the Jagama Airport. Jagama is holding on airdrop on the summer of 2024. Make sure to get on the Jagama whitelist or before that. Join airdrop now. Third, we have grant programs. So $45,100,000 grant program who spark ideas, bullet partnership and revision or innovation. Thank you so much to all of you and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much once again. Okay, so now Jagama or Lynch new partners guest live in the airdrop or portal. So ETH we have 1.05, SOL we have 24.222937. So new partners quest live in the airdrop portal. So swap SWM by EVM token on Allied tab. Submitted your transaction hash and claimed your reward. So vote, mint or post, earn $DGMA. So next we have the advisors of Jagama. So Shen Sibili, the strategic advisors or Sky B, we have Ambassador or Coles. So our partners last we have Kima, Bitgate, SUI, Sui or Arbitrum, Gate.io. तो ये सारे जगामा के पार्टनर्स हैं. मैक्सिस और लीनिया, तो ये सारे पार्टनर्स हैं जगामा के. ओके, सो मोनेट. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू. इंस्पायर लैब, तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्कस की जगामा की. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड अप्रिसिएशन. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream topic or project, so feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, So now, next we have the official white paper or documents of Dagama. So first we have the introduction disclaimer. If you have any doubts as to what actions you should take, we recommended that you consult with your legal, financial, tax, or other professional advisor. So no part of the white paper is to be the reproductive, distributing, or disseminated without including this section. So this sole purpose of this white paper is to present token to potential token holders. The information is provider of information purpose only. So it may not be executive and does not imply an element of a contract relationship of obligation. So depth side is the fact that we make every effort to ensure the accuracy up to the data and relevance of any material in this white paper. This document and material content or herein are not professional advice and it on way to consistent to the provision of professional advice of any kind. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining to stay connected with me. So further project reserve the rights of modify or updates the white paper and information contained herein and it's the moment and without notice. So to the maximum extent permitted by any applicable laws, regulation and rules. So project does not guarantee and does not accept legal responsibility of any nature for any indirect, special, incidental, constitutional, or other losses of any kind in tort, contract, or otherwise, including but not limited to loss of revenue, income, profits, and use of data. So arising from or related to the accuracy, reliability, or relevance to components of any material content in this white paper. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so next we have further project does not make to or purport to make the hereby declines and potential a warranty of undertaking it any from what overs to any entity, person of authority, including any respectational warranty of undertaking its relation to the truth, accuracy of compliance to any of the information set over in white paper. So you should contact relevant independent professional advisor before relying or marketing any commitment on transaction basis on the material publishes in this white paper. So next we do not have the right and should not buy token if you are the citizen or residence tax or otherwise of any country or territory where transactions with digital tokens and or digital currency and prohibited in its other management to the restricted by applicable laws. So person is generally defined as a natural person or residing in the relevant state or any event organized incorporated under the laws of relevant or state. So purchase token control be offered or distributed as well as cannot be resolved or other review aligned by their holders to maintain person. It is your sole responsibility to establish by consulting of necessary so your legal tax accounting of other professional advisor but requirements and eliminations if any apply to your particular investigation and ensure that you have observed and complied with the all restriction and your own experience and without liability or project. So token are not and will not be indicated to constitution securities, digital currency or commodity. So or any other kind of influencer instrument and have to not be to the registered under relevant religious regulations including the security laws of any distributions in which a potential token holder is a resident. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we have this white paper. It's not a prospectus or proposal, and its purpose is not to serve as a securities after request of investment. This is the form of security in this jurisdiction. However, the separate and the above legislations of certain institutions may now or in future or recognizing DGMA token as a securities. So project does not accept any liability of such recognizing and or due to the legal and other consistency of such requirement of potential owner of DGMA. So token not provided and opinion or advice regarding to execution, sale of other operation with DGMA token and the other fact of provision of this white paper does not from to the basic of should not be relied upon to the matter related to the conclusion of contract of acceptance or investment or decision. Next we have the description. So introduction description we have so next we have the introduction or description. So Jagama is a RWA real-world location platform that leveraging blockchain and AI technology to offer a unique experience with authentic content or resulting trust in a recommendation. So RWA real-world location or real-world places, both commercial and non-commercial, integrated through Web3 infrastructure. This integration combines common real-world location with the advantages of blockchain technology, forcing mass or adoption. So explore, share, earn real places, real recommendation or real rewards. So Dagama is a bullet on proprietary game protocol for validating and storing users' review. So utilizing members with the DGMA token or algorithm, it creates a transparent community driven ecosystem benefiting users and business by providing honest recommendation verified by the Gamma protocol algorithm. The post and earn management in sensitive engagement rewarding users with the Gamma token of authentic of recommendation. So the innovative approach integrated real-world location with Web3 bridging digital and physical spaces. By rewarding genuine content, the Gamma fostered trust and transparency, encouraging wider expectations and usage among users and business. So next highlight we have end-to-end RWL ecosystem business panel pros terminal game or protocol PVP released Android and iOS or compatible. So $450K grant program, NFT 1 membership card with prizes or refills with a unique chance with a round the world trip. Okay, so next we have the world first RWA project of algorithm ecosystem, completed KYC from Citric or with silver badges. So Chainlink we have blockchain oracles from cross chain or communication. So next we have the community. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so now next we have the introduction community engagement. At the Gamma, we understand the importance of fostering a vibrant and engaged community. We are supporting to community members and providing ample opportunities for participants in the Gamma apps, testing at the upcoming token or sale. So join our social channels. We invite to join official social media channel Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, Medium, YouTube, or Crunchbase. So our community managers and moderators can answer your question, provide guidance, and share importance or update. So Jagama Influencer Program, earn reward in USDT, DGMA token, or perform-based bonus and unlock exclusive benefits by becoming a part of the Jagama growth or engine. So reserved for influencer reward, we have 1% of total token supply and $10 100,000 token allocation at TGE. So become an influencer. Influencer duties, rewarded and bonuses. Requirements minimum 1000 followers on X Twitter. As a Jagama influencer, you will receive a unique referral code and get access to onboard verified Web3 users into the Jagama ecosystem. Grow the community through authentic engagement or referral program. We have 10 DGMA for every verified users. For referral or your referral, climb the leaderboard to unlock multiple and bonus rewarded. Social engagement, we have earned 1 DGMA for each eligible interaction like comment or retweet, or frequent engagement boost visibility and leaderboard or ranking. So additional features of top influencers. So mystery boosters, mystery boost. Top contributors can unlock surprise token or drops, whitelist support, private collaboration, or early access to platform or feature. So exponential earning, higher influencer level increase your rewards to reach the top to earn up to 1.5x. So elite status and insider access, we have top 10 influencer receive VIP level support, bonus multiples, early access to Jagama Alpha or features, exclusively NFT drop. So gain early access to the Jagama Pioneer NFT series. More than just collaborations, they unlock special perk across the Jagama ecosystem, or priority access upcoming or feature. So bonus activity, we have participant in MAS to earn extra reward, create YouTube review on Showcase to Jagama, receive USDT payout based on your cold tier, join the Jagama influencer program, contact us via Telegram or email with the link of your X profile. If selected, you will become an official Jagama influencer. Connect your wallet, receive your personal referral code, or start earning in Jagama and USDT. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much once again to all of you. Okay, so now next we have the problems and solutions. So the impact of fake reviews of businesses and consumers. The proliferation of fake reviews has become a critical issue in today's businesses environment. So the reviews distort public perceptions, undermine consumer trust, and causes significant financial and reputational harm to businesses. So they are particularly damaging for real-world enterprises like restaurant, hotel, and other players in the HoReCa hospitality industry with the customer experience directly or affect reputation. Audience impacted by fake reviews or include so consumers millennials 1981 to 1996 and Gen Z 1997 to 2012. Research shows that 88% of people follow at least our travel influencer on social media, and 45% trusted their recommendation. Travel Freak or these consumers rely heavily on reviews, make decisions about venue and services. So HoReCa businesses for restaurant, hotel, and other hospitality enterprises, reviews play a pivotal roles in attracting customers, especially in high competitive or market. 95.1% of users rate or at least 7 reviews before booking a hotel. So this underestimates the critical rate of the online presence and the efficient managing of businesses. So types of impact caused by fake reviews. Reputational risk, we have first loss of consumer trust. Consumers increasingly level view are unreliable to their lack of authenticity. So studies show that 67% of consumers consider fake reviews a serious issue, directly affecting their trust in restaurant, hotel, and the other Hokkaido businesses or demand it. So negative business or perception, a single negative review can deter up to 22% of potential customers. So while multiple bad reviews can increase the figure of 70%, for example, a restaurant with poor review may lose its core customer basis or investor. Number second, we have financial losses. Low scales, fake reviews is often reveal customers to competition to the leading to direct revenue losses, for example, losing customers or during a peak reason to the significantly reducing in income of hotel and restaurant or investment. So reputational management cost. Businesses in the Hokkaido industry and forced to the allocated substantial resources for maintenance in effort to fake reviews, including hiring of PR agency and legal support for this client. So legal and ethical risk. Regulatory constituency, the US Federal Trade Commission FTC has banned the creation and sale of the fake reviews, highlight their harmful effect for fair competition, particularly in the hospitality or sector. Ethical concern. Thank you so much, CryptoRex, for your joining. So fake reviews is undermine principle of fair competition, eroding customer trust and hindering to the equitable developments of businesses or forwards. How are you, dear? I'm good, dear. How about you? Good to see you here with me. And walaikum salam. Deterioration in services quality, resources driven. Businesses such as restaurant and hotel are complained to the divert resources to combat fake reviews rather than focus of improving customer experience. This may involve creating specializing reputation management departments or Wikipedia. So customer misformation, so fail positive reviews of a restaurant or hotel can lead to the customer disappointment, where is the expect a high level of services or but accurate poor quality or erratic. So competitive risk, we have unfair competition. Fake negative reviews are used by competition. Your stream really captivates the audience. Thank you so much, dear, for your kind words and appreciation. So loss of local recognition. Fake reviews can negatively impact the local reputations of establishment, with this particularly circle of restaurant and hotel refined to the tutorial. So constitution, we have fake reviews represent a serious threat to any businesses where customer opinion is prequels, especially in the services industry, such as the restaurant and hotel Horeca. They undermine trust, does not cooperative in landscape, and the result significant financial losses. So addressing the challenges through innovative solutions such as the transparent review verification system, AI powered technology, and insensitive users to leave honest reviews, we help restore trust and fairness in this hospitality industry. This is the core mission of the Jagama. Jagama offers a solution that we will tell you about in the next section. Okay, so next we have the Jagama solution. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for you joining. Good luck for your project. Thank you so much, Crypto Rex and Crypto Butterfly, for joining my stream. Thank you so much, both of you. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so next we have the Jagama solution. The main principle of Jagama is real recommendation of real users. So Jagama solve real problems of real people. Our app and algorithm enable us to address this issue related to fake review and descriptions between expectations and reality. So we used UGC, which is verified with our MILAB system, the content from the impressions map with a recommendation system that our users interact with. Our users receive an impression map with a recommendation system. UGC verified with our MILAB system ensure that every user can trust the recommendation. So second, we have the ability to create recommendation and share impression with our users. So our recommendation system with AI that recommended interaction places to your or helps you create a route. So the opportunity to be not just a member but can active participant in this community thanks to our role model. So monetize your expertise and earn from your content creation with P&E. In addition, with our ecosystem, we also provide businesses with our opportunity to manifest or itself. Our system will help you to avoid the problem it fake crypto actions have faced, fake establishment or the YIP movement to the minimizations of requirements, the revenue boosting from competitor will no longer be a threat to you. So business have the opportunity to focus more on services, less over marketing establishment that user like have, and it's a high rating with always maker to or map. In addition, the gamma provider and opportunity. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so next we have the ability to undergo verification and dynamic technology through the uses of dynamic or the gamma ecosystem or the access to the business's growth or program to different unique is enabled to increase customer visit. We will help to recommendation services. In addition, there is the assistant attendants and who will be the exactly your users and it's how to do the behave. So the ability to have your businesses checked by our investor and receive a fair assessment as well as the market that the businesses has been checked and verified. So a chat with customers that enable you to resolve all conventional issues and improve your business. So access to the boost system and loyalty platform which opens up to opportunity to attract more customers to your venue. So thanks to this, within our ecosystem or absolutely everyone will find the necessary functionality. Our app will become an integral part of life, creating many positive or impression of everyone. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so next we have for users, product for users, users who create content generate in impression map. The people map makes the rating of the both popular public places and hidden games that are the otherwise very difficult to find. Creability of this recommendation and places ensured by our developments, MILABS and Vasco, recommendation algorithm and trust rating. So main features for the users in the gamma. People map display points of interest visited by users. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. Recommendation feeds, personalized recommendation and content flirting using of AI, Visco or algorithm. Recommendation create ability to earn activity points of quality publications, randomly creation, combine different location to create unique attorneys, activity monetization, post and earn management to earn activity or rewards. So this user is presented with a familiar interfaces that allows them to comfortably use this application and get the most pleasant experience possible. So many users share their impression of their establishment and places, thereby creating the content necessary from the gamma or ecosystem. Thanks to all. for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. If you have any question related to this project, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliments and appreciation. So next we have the impression map and recommendation field. So in this description section, we mentioned that Jagama is the real world location or WL platform on the leveraging blockchain and artificial intelligence technology to offer a unique experience with authentic content and restore trust in recommendation. So now more about this impression map. Okay, the map is here in front of your screen. The impressions map is formed by the content that users creator as they visit various places the content has passed through. So our system appear to the map and every users can see authentic recommendation. It can be the said that every place is marked on your map is diamond. Okay, so now next we have the convenience of interaction. Vesco AI recommendation algorithm is used to organize the people map based on their internet of their each individual user. So on the map, secondary places and constituted grouped while preference locations are highlight according to the filtering text queries and is the user individual. Choices of our map features a unique design and highlights the best places with scale or design. So these management significantly reducing the time required to the find suitable or places. So the map find places and these feed finds or impression. Our algorithm had made the recommendation feed an invaluable tool for everyone and those who are enjoying exploring the new areas. Users are able to select a location that best fit and their interest by viewing. So Memo and relevant content, we have created a set of the first flat of your categories, the establishment according to the mood, making it simple for it users to interact with the recommendation or feed. So our real world location is Dagama in connected through a Web3. Infrastructure, the integration combines regular real world places that the advantages of blockchain technology promoting widespread or adoption. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. Good word. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. मुझे सिर्फ क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई और क्रिप्टो रेक्स ने ज्वाइन किया है. Where is crypto family? Thank you so much to all of you, crypto teacher. Okay, so now next we have creating recommendation or enterprises. So creating recommendation and itineraries to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the user generated map within a Dagama. We have implemented robust or machine design to protocol the community from fake allocated location. This management emphasizing users accountability and verified experience. So next we have the core feature check-in. A check-in and our users generated points on the map that record their presence and the specific location. So this feature allows users to share their experience authentically while maintaining the integrity of recommendation. Each check-in remains valid for 30 days, ensuring the user's impression is current and relevant. How to create click-in recommendation, we have every place is added to the Dagama is considered and recommendation by the users. Recommendation can be created with or without in check. So verified recommendation in check-in is the selected with adding a place. The location automatically marked as verified. How to create a verified recommendation. So unverified recommendation, a location added without a check is required. Verification, any registered users can verify such as a places of confirm the recommendation or a query. How to create an unified recommendation. When a users create a recommendation, the become the pioneer of the location verified recommendation help enhance the trust with the community and maintain to the overall quality of the platform. Verification system, we have the platform features are robust verification system. Verification places location added in a check-in automatically verified. Community verification, uni-verified places can be confirmed by the other users who validated to the accuracy of the recommendation. This ensures that the location meet the platform standards for authenticity. Negative feedback, users can provide negative feedback about the experience at a location. So unlike recommendation, negative feedback it's kept private and sent directly to the business owner. So impression, we have impression is a detailed position to the recognizing impression and dedicated post where users share in a depth account of their experience at a specific location. To create an impression, check-in must be selected or linking to the connect to the verified gamification impression and including rating, offering valuable insight to the community. Only verified locations are eligible for impression, ensuring content or reliability. So how to create an impression? Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for you joining and welcome to my stream. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Walaikum salam, dear. How are you? Good to see you here with me. So next we have the memo. Memos are a quick story like post and minimum content requirements such as photos and videos. When a check-in is the linking to memo, it's appeared to the location card, increasing its visibility and providing other users with up to the data perspective on these places. So by combining these features, or Jagama Forester are trustworthy and dynamic environment or users to share authentic experience while ensuring that businesses are represented. Next we have creating itineraries. Itineraries is a collection of location together by users to bullet custom level travel ratio, especially helpful to tour operation. To the guide, users can design, customize or different variant to their interest and preference. Users to the Jagama project or itinerary creation management. So users can obtain the itinerary to the following ways. So next we have the method description. Independently, the users create this on route or modifying it into the suit his personal preference and mood. So with AI, artificial intelligence generated is traveling itinerary for the users based for the other interest. It is powered by AI based recommendation or algorithm. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for always being here. Thank you so much for your appreciation and kind words. Thank you so much once again for you joining. Okay, so next we have buy a ready-made or itinerary. So the users had the opportunity to buy a route or from experienced guidance. From the reason to this ratio needs to be available to purchases. Users can also sell their ratio and additional to purchase our routes. So in this event that the users lost network connectivity, we have made it possible to download the ratio to your phone or conversation or interaction. So next we have the Dagama app users or guide. So check in, start your Dagama journey with a check in. This your first step towards creating unique content and validation your experience. Before you proceed, make sure to review to the Dagama community or guidelines. So to ensure your contributions meet our standards, how to create a check-in, sign up in this the Jagama app by physically present at the location you want to mark. Open the creation menu and tap create check-in screenshot, fill in the detail and the name of your check-in, adjust the location if needed, save your check-in or your check-in will appear under discoveries. If the location is unique, you will become its pioneer, unlocking exclusive reward. Do not miss the chance to be the first. Okay, so check in validity. To keep experience current, check-ins remain valid for 30 days. Recommendations. Want to share your favorite places? Recommendation allows to showcase your best find. Please review the Jagama community guidelines before sharing your recommendation. So what are recommendations? Recommendation let you share to both positive and constructively feedback about places they can be. Verified recommendation create with a check-in. Unverified recommendation added without a check-in a required community or verification. So how to create a verified recommendation? Sign up in the Dagama app, create a check-in from the location, open the menu and select share impression. Choose a check-in, exciting location. Users are checked with a photo or cover. Low location, check-in without a cover show. You will the pioneer. So complete the detail, add the name of addresses or select up to 3 categories. Upload media, at least 3 photo or videos up to 300 MB. Write a description 50 by 200 characters or share the recommendation. Okay, so complete method दिया है. So congratulations, you will become a pioneer and open a new location for this community. So how to create unverified recommendation? Sign up in the Jagama app, open the menu and select share impression. Select and recommendation without check-in from the menu provider, name and address of the places, category, date of visit, media upload or description, 5 by 200 characters, share in recommendation. So remember these recommendations required verification system we have. Thank you so much, great user, for your joining. So verification system we have. Verification ensure trust with the platform. Location can be to the verified through. Moderators ensure recommendation complete with guidelines. Pioneer verify location by adding impression or community. We have users validatory places via their check or links. So once verified, you will become our reviews and share rewards with pioneers. So negative feedback we have. Sometimes services may not be expectations. Dagama lets your provider connective or feedback directly to the business's owner, helping them improve. Next we have how to send negative feedback. Sign up this Dagama app, create a check from the location, open the menu and select share impression or screenshot. Choose the option of leave negative feedback or complete the form. Name and addresses of the places, category, media upload or delete descriptions, 50 by 200 characters or send feedback. Your feedback will remain confidential. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So how to create an impression? Sign up is the Dagama app. Create a check from through the location. Select share impression or add a rating for overall by category to design different unique of the multiple purpose. Next we have multi-level anti-fake system or MLFs. Level 1, level 2. Register, login or connect behavior or scan. Level 4 we have ANICE, level 5 DAO, level 6 we have blockchain. So the first level of the system is registration and login verification. If the account is logged in and the other devices will be disconnected from the previous devices and addition. So it's read very fingerprint of the devices of Interact within the open future of Interact level. Digital watermark we have. Secure digital signature, unique content design or executed design in contract is embedded design in contract or metadata storage for image and video, non-visible, the pixel patterns or enhanced trust for your single visual or content, biometric level of security. So level 2 we have the interact with the device's fingerprint and analyzing user behavior. It is the surprise leading system of autonomy or directions. Group behavior is analyzed where attempts to manipulators, review and rating and dedication. So at level 3 and 4 verification is done using scan and scan algorithm thanks to verification or pipeline. We can relate it to the incorrect of these innovation of the determine their quality. Dedicating fake reviews is technical method. Users monetizing and verification, transparency and moderations or operationally and update. So after the verification system come into the play into the use red or green flag on the content. So verification subsystem check green check are allocation of verification measured to the boost and contest places just valued by adding protective or measure like digital watermark or biometric. So this blockchain and GEOA Act is the level 4 or 5. The community members who take the role of the moderated additionally filter and feedback. Finally, the information is sent to the blockchain. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So next we have a cornerstone to our system approach to preserving the integrity of review is the active engagement of our community. The feedback and reporting management is designed to empower users, giving them a direct is the safeguard treasury to the empowering users with unify reporting or the documentation. So automated reviews and scale it. Upon receiving a report over system initial and automated reviews to the design, the digital effect to the disclaimer due to technical regularity and additional to the diagram so data-driven model reference or leverage community insight from continuous improvement. This insight is gathered from report conducted play a circular role in the continuous innovations of our determined algorithm by analyzing partners due to technical regularity to the duplications efficiency of our reviews process but also strengthening overall security of our platform. So data-driven model refinement information from users report and modularizations outcome in critical from refining our ML models. This included ML captcha and behavior analysis system. So this community and moderations actions from a little code to the design of any architecture to the enforcing fraud or fraud partners. Next, we have the blockchain. Our platform utilizes blockchain technology specifically of the purpose regard of secure storage and the anti-fake system. Web3 providing users with fully control over the data, including the content with the creator and assessed within the application. Also, the token economy assistance in ensuring from distribution rewards to users who support ecosystem. Next, we have the post and earn. The reward benefit activities has strive to improve the ecosystem with the Jagama utility token through a very variety of activities within our role-based system. Users can acquire a project token, a user's ranking, the value of their prizes, and this likelihood of the receiving drop and increasing within the number of activities they do. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much once again, Crypto Butterfly, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Okay, so now next we have host and earn. Hold token and earn staking. We also provided our own Jagama token, which is the rewarded to the users from creating and moderation recommendations. So utility of the Jagama token can be found the token utility or section interaction made to the decentralizing layer take place or through a set of a smart contract and Web3 services. So Malafis blockchain interaction over Malaf's developments are latest level interact with the blockchain. These interactions involving the transfer of data they will pass through our algorithm. Next we have the membership card. Jagama NFT give own special privileges and discount our additional services and barrier fee. So this token can be purchased on special platform or directly from the businesses. That is the issue. The main can be to use the obtained privileges or sold to the secondary market. More than detailed information about the users of NFT can be found the NFT utility or section. Next we have tokenomics. Jagama 700,000 total visiting. So next we have team Greediness of the Jagama. Next we have the partners. Our key partners Bitgate, Arbitrum, Sui, Unicorn, Managing D or Kima, Dexing or Redis. Okay, so now blockchain. Next we have the membership card NFT or ID. The Gamma NFT provided their own with the special privileges such as additional terms, discount and other bonuses. These privileges can apply to burger fields such as travel, entertainment or gastronomy and other. So for example, the owner of the Jagama NFT for a hotel may get extra benefits like complimentary breakfast of the late checkout, or to the owner of NFT for a restaurant may earn a discount on certain dishes or beverages. So in addition, Jagama NFT owner skews increasing profitability and staking. Next we have the staking. The formula of distributing rewarding users the weight of the user's participation and the time of placing the best, which is the calculated as W2 by Q is equal T2 M2. So users token amount X to users level X, which depend the number of the token. So tier 1 we have 10,000 or tier 1 by 2. 2 we have 5,000, 1.50. Tier 3 we have 15,000, 1.1 or tier 4 we have 15,000 is 1. So limitations or APR. Consider that the platform is subject to changes, especially when placing a minimum number of the token, particularly measure and have been the token period exclusive selection and potential explore to, therefore they are limited to 35%. Next we have the token economics. We discuss. Next we have the token utility. Jagama is the utility token with a fixed supply that empower to the Jagama ecosystem. Within the Jagama ecosystem, our token is used to pay for services, gain access to additional features and receive reward. So business utility we have, for example, users can earn Jagama token for creating high quality reviews and recommendation, as well as for discovering new places and events. So business utility we have business profile, promotional tools, loyalty program or retail or tools. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, and welcome back. Glad to see you here with me. So the business panel and programmation tools section provided to the depth exploration of the business of the Gamma or interaction. So first we have additional features, profile customization, disconnected in-app services or member card NFT, payment third-party services of crowd or funding and donation of exclusive or code. Next we have users utility, profile customization, additional features, comprehensive or travel planning, tools or memory map and more, disconnected app services or payment for third-party services, crowdfunding and donation for exclusive content, experience and secret location. So members in card NFT, a key expected for economics or members adding to the technology based of the development of ideas. The users can become useful members of the Jagama GEO community and earn to design instead of the having to buy them. Businesses monetizations, users in return on their input, more detail about the reward system and available or value. So continuous reward pool we have, we employ to the initial pool or management to the diagram. To differentiate the impact of NFT or rewarding distribution, NFT holders enjoying enhanced discount and bonuses in our app product along with the increase in staking or app. So token burn management, upon purchasing Paramemium accounts, the additional to buying token for the map to the design to the pool and drop this occur within the number of the participation to the technical regularity and increasing of to the additional burning tokenomics of Paramemium account to the purchase. The project will also burn excess token from the rewarded pool drops the account which is the pure to the design of significant of the number participant in institutional efficiency, distributing rewarding and the end of the approach. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So next we have the in-house team, guarantees of the Jagama, Gary Qatar or Sergey Becky, Julie Momit, Sky V, Max Porisho, Bernarji Mirjev or Alex Emirates or Alex Gibiose. For partners we have our key partners BitKit, Gate.io, Unicorn, Fire, Sui, in placing decks or regarding. So today our topic and we discuss. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So today our topic and we discuss initial listening, get to list Dagama, DGMA, sport trading and launch holder airdrop. So 2025 by 09 22 03 30.24 UTC and the total views we have 6006. So it will list Dagama DGMA for sport trading and launch holder airdrop hashtag 300 users holding at least 1 GT can share 363.63 Dagama token for free. The holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holdings or after the Dagama or the airdrop concluding, no fund will be dedicated from participants. Join now. The next we have the airdrop detail. Holder airdrop ending time September 25, 2025 06.6600 UTC and the end time total supply we have 363.636 Dagama DGMA. Unlocking rules are unlocking 100% trading sport September 25, 2025 07.00 UTC trading pair DGMA or USDT. So participation rules, complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding. Snapshot proportion, the maximum participations limit per users in their event 1.000 GT. How to claim the airdrop, login and complete identity verification. Go to launch pool holder airdrop FAQ. So about Jagama DGMA. Jagama is an RWL real world location platform that leveraging blockchain and AI technology to provide authentic info and trusted recommendation. Our mission to rebuild trust in online reviews by origin and global community where participants share and discovered and quality recommendation earning reward in Jagama token. We bullied a map with recommendation from a worldwide community, ensuring the authenticity of every location and recommendation with our multi-level anti-fake system using post and earn management. We make the sharing of experience both rewarding and reliable. Thank you so much, Gate user, for your joining and comment hello. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your joining. Okay, so next we have token name Jagama, token symbol DGMA, max supply 700,000 000, token type ERC by 20, token ID, the link is available, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Per seed 3%, 5% unlock at TGE 12 months play winner listing over 24 months. Seed 4%, 5% unlock at TGE 4 months play winner listing over 15 months. Private we have 14%, 2% unlock at TGE 12 months play near listing over 15 months. Strategic we have 6%, 2% unlock at TGE 8 months play winner listing over 12 months. Growth round we have 4.30%, 0% unlock at TGE 3 months clip learner visiting over 9 months. Community drop we have 1%, 20% unlock at TGE no clip learner visiting over 6 months. Core team we have 10%, 0% unlock at TGE 24 months clip learner visiting over 24 months. Advisor we have 2%, 0% unlock at TGE months clip near visiting over 24 months. Ecosystem 24.8%, 80%, 0% unlock at TGE no cliff layered visiting over 36 months. Marketing, we have 8.10%, 10% unlock at TGE 6 months cliff near listing over 24 months. Liquidity, 13.50%, 40% unlock at TGE no cliff learning listing over 12 months. Staking pool, 3.50%, 2.80% unlock at TGE no cliff learning listing over 36 months. Reserve last, we have 5.80%, 0% unlock at TGE 18 months cliff near listing over 24 months. So website link is available and white paper also. So GateLab investment disclosure. So note, first we have Gate token. GT is the unique exchange token for the Gate exchange and the native token for the Gate chain. Public chain over GT now. The link is available. Please complete identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and access. So please follow the relevant rules of this event and participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited and accuracy of any dishonesty with result is disqualification of the reward. Where any disparity arises between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations access the services including the participant in this event, game or competition. See the user argument for further detail or restricted location. So risk warning, we have the number first, we have the Holder Airdrop project is the blockchain startup and is still in its early stages. The project operation underlying technology and legal involvement may pose significant risk. The project team does not guarantee that the token prices will not be lower than its sale prices. Please invest with caution and do not invest beyond your financial capacity. The Holder Airdrop project is in still initial stages. Factor included the operation and underlying technology of the project or protocol. The other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand, evaluate the enhanced risk of crypto assets or investment. So the market volatility is high and the price of the token might significant directly due to technical regularity and market factor. So Gate team, September 22, 2025, Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn a 40% commission. So stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topic. Engage with our global community for the latest insight. ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड सिक्योरिटी चेक ओवर 100% प्रूफ और रिजर्व. सो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया. इनिशियल लिसनिंग, गेट टू लिस्ट, जगामा, DGMA, स्पोर्ट ट्रेडिंग एंड लाउंज होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप. So thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, Crypto Rocks, or Crypto Eye. Thank you so much once again for your support. Okay, so now it's time to wrap up. So guys, that was my topic for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. A special thanks to my new followers and all my friends. I will meet you tomorrow with a new interesting topic. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.